अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू यू। खुश आमदीद। आप सबका स्वागत है। यू आर वाचिंग लर्न विद सिद्रा। Here are some very different, easy, simple, and short sentences for daily conversation. Through this video, you will learn how to react in different situations, especially in anger. So, don't miss and watch it till the end. Without wasting time, let's get started. Don't put a hex on me. Don't put a hex on me. मुझ पर बुरी नज़र मत डालो. Silence is half consent. Silence is half consent. खामोशी नीम रजामंदी होती है. How dare you say that? How dare you say that? ऐसा कहने की तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? I don't have any complaint with you. I don't have any complaint with you. मुझे तुमसे कोई शिकायत नहीं. He is on leave these days. He is on leave these days. वो आजकल छुट्टी पर है. Who do you want to see? Who do you want to see? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? What made you late? What made you late? आप लेट क्यों आए? What do you want? What do you want? आप क्या चाहते हैं? Patch up your disputes. Patch up your disputes. अपने झगड़ों को सुलझाओ. We should help the poor. We should help the poor. हमें गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए. I have some money. I have some money. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. अपने तक ही रखना. I'll surely keep this in mind. I'll surely keep this in mind. मैं ज़रूर इस बात का ख्याल रखूँगा. I know nothing in this connection. I know nothing in this connection. मैं इस बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. What brings you here? What brings you here? कैसे आना हुआ? He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. वो ऐन मौके पर आया. You don't seem to agree with me. You don't seem to agree with me. लगता नहीं आप मेरे साथ इत्तेफाक कर रहे हैं. Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? आप इतने गमगीन क्यों हैं? I know what you mean. I know what you mean. मुझे मालूम है तुम्हारा कहने का मतलब क्या है. His salary is low. His salary is low. उसकी तनख्वाह कम है. He is accused of murder. He is accused of murder. उस पर कत्ल का इल्ज़ाम है. He is an utter fool. He is an utter fool. वो बड़ा अहमक है. None of your business. None of your business. तुमसे मतलब. कीप चेक ऑन योर टंग। कीप चेक ऑन योर टंग, अपनी ज़ुबान को लगाम दो। कम व्हाट मे आई वॉन्ट गिव यू मनी। कम व्हाट मे आई वॉन्ट गिव यू मनी, जो भी हो तुम्हें मैं पैसे नहीं दूंगा। I'll teach you a lesson. I'll teach you a lesson. सबक सिखाऊंगा तुम्हें तो। Go away or I'll break your neck. Go away or I'll break your neck. चले जाओ नहीं तो तुम्हारी गर्दन तोड़ दूंगा। I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. डरता नहीं हूँ तुमसे। I'll slap you. I'll slap you. थप्पड़ लगाऊंगा तुम्हें। Do it if you are bold enough. Do it if you are bold enough. हिम्मत है तो करके दिखा। Sit silent, otherwise be off from here. Sit silent, otherwise be off from here. चुप करके बैठो वरना दफा हो जाओ यहाँ से। Oops. How dare you abused my brother? How dare you abused my brother? मेरे भाई को गाली देने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? He was furious with his students. He was furious with his students. वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ गुस्से था। Nothing of this kind, or we can say nothing of this sort. इस तरह की कोई बात नहीं। He shoved the money. He shoved the money. उसने पैसे दे मारे। Who says? Who says? कौन कहता है? How dare you? How dare you? इतनी हिम्मत तुम्हारी। Whatever, whatever, जो भी हो। Don't point your finger. Don't point your finger. उंगली मत दिखा। Will break your teeth. Understood? Will break your teeth. Understood? दांत तोड़ दूंगा तुम्हारे। समझे? Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. मुझे मत बताओ कि क्या करना है। Don't you dare take my father's name. Don't you dare take my father's name. मेरे बाप पर जाने की हिम्मत मत करना। Do I look like a fool to you? Do I look like a fool to you? क्या बेवकूफ़ लगता हूँ तुम्हें? What will you do? What will you do? क्या कर लोगे तुम? Lower your voice. Lower your voice. आवाज़ नीचे।